Hi, yoga friends! Before we start today's fun yoga practice, don't forget to give this video a like and press subscribe so you can join us on all our yoga adventures. We've prepared lots of fun poses and playful games just for you. Ready? Let's get started. Stand tall and let your arms relax. Slowly roll your shoulders back and down. Feel the tension melting away. Take a calm breath in and slowly breathe out. Gently tilt your head to one side. Keep your shoulders soft and relaxed. There is no pushing. Come back to the center. Switch to the other side. Bend forward with your knees a little bent. Let your arms and head hang down. Your body feels loose and relaxed. Breathe slowly here. Nothing to hold. Stay folded and gently sway side to side. Your head feels heavy, like a soft toy. Everything relaxes. Move slowly. Feel calm. Sit down and bring your feet together. Let your knees relax outward. Sit tall but easy. Take a slow breath. Feel peaceful. Stretch your legs forward. Fold gently, only as much as feels good. Your back stays relaxed. Breathe slowly. Stay comfortable. Sit tall and lift one arm up. Gently lean to the side. Open the side of your body softly. Come back to center. Switch sides. Sit tall and twist gently to one side. Keep the movement small and slow. Your body feels safe. Return to center. Twist the other way. Lie on your back and hold your feet or knees. Rock slowly side to side. Your body feels playful and calm. Relax. Hug your knees into your chest. Give yourself a gentle squeeze. Feel safe and warm. Rock softly if it feels nice. Breathe. Let your knees fall to one side. Arms relax open. Your body feels heavy and calm. Switch sides slowly. Stay relaxed. Lift your legs up or rest them on a chair or wall. Arms rest by your sides. Let your body rest. Breathe slowly. Enjoy the quiet. Place your hands on your belly. Watch your belly rise and fall. Breathe like gentle waves. Very good. Lie still and notice your body. Relax your face, shoulders, and legs. Everything feels soft. There is nothing to do, just rest. Lie flat and close your eyes. Your body is calm. Your breath is slow. Stay here quietly.